Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills, and in this video I am going to be doing an unboxing and a product review of this wonderful nail gel kit that I received from Amazon. Here is the brand right here. I am not going to try to pronounce the name because I don't want to butcher it, but I'm just going to be going through each product and just basically, telling you what it's for and things like that. So right here you see these are basically toe placers. You put them in spacers, placers, whatever you want to call it. You just put them in between your toes and it just separates your toes, so it'll be easier to paint and not, so you won't mess up your your polish on your toes. Also, it came with a brush duster to brush off any extra dust that may be on your nails. Here is a cleaning brush to clean your nails with. Also, it comes with different type of nail filers because you're going to need those, especially to get a clean and nice surface on your nails. Everything did come packaged nice as well. Here is the cuticle oil. This is what you want to put on your cuticles after you're done with your nails, just to rehydrate your cuticles. It just comes in a little pen and you just twist the top of it and it just comes out the little brush. It also came with like nail tape designs, to do different type of designs on your nails. Some glitter as well, 4 different kinds of glitter and designs. It also came with a cuticle cutter, a gel brush, it also came with this nail, you can say spatula. I use mine to push back my cuticles or also to pick up my glitter. And here it came in this nice pretty box with the base, top, and matte coating for your nail. Okay, yeah, so you apply the base coat, of course, before you start your nails, the gel, and the top and matte coat is what you apply when you're done with your nails. Okay, so also it came with 12 different gel nail polishes, and I end up going through all of them off camera and opening each one, and they are all a gorgeous color. But on camera, I'm just gonna open one and just show you one of the colors. They all came numbered with the color on top, which is cool. So as I mentioned, I opened each one of them. Each one of them had a great consistency. It came with this manual as well. Okay, so now this is what I've been waiting for, this nail lamp. And I actually like it because it is very sturdy. It goes up to 90 seconds. It have, as you can see on the top, the buttons. It go from 10, 30, 60, and 90 seconds. It counts up and it counts down. And I can actually say when the light is on, it doesn't bother my hands at all, because I have had a lamp before where it kind of felt a little weird when I would put my hand inside. I know it just depends on the gel builder. Okay, here is the brushes. They are from a different company. I ended up buying these because I knew that the kit did not come with many, so I like to have extra just to have. I also bought this nail builder as well because it didn't come with the kit, and I needed that to, to build a good foundation on my nail, because I knew I was going to add tips. So every product that I have in this video, I will be linking in the description below. So if you want, if you would like to check it out, you can do so by clicking on the link. It came with the brush, the builder, and nail forms and manual. Here is some lint-free wipes. You want to use lint-free wipes, so when you're finished using the gel builder or any type of gel, after you adhere it in the nail lamp, you want to be able to wipe it with the lint-free wipes. Okay, so this is the little design I end up doing my nails. I will be posting a full video, so stay tuned to show you how and what exact products that I use from this kit to achieve this look. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video was truly helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.